Hi, and welcome to this episode of eMarketing Basics. Today we're covering Google Smart Shopping campaigns for your e-commerce store. Google Shopping helps e-commerce merchants advertise on Google and its partners. There are some products that you can't advertise on Google Shopping, so you'll definitely want to check out our Google Shopping video for more information on that. Let's check out an example. Products are shown based off of what the customer is searching for on Google. This makes it one of the highest performing ad platforms on the internet for e-commerce. Previously, these ad campaigns required a lot of PPC knowledge, but more recently, Google released their Google Smart Shopping campaigns. E-marketing makes these campaigns accessible and automated for all e-commerce merchants. There are a lot of different ways to set up a Google Smart Shopping campaign, but I want to show you a specific example. Let's head over to eMarketing to take a look. The SSCs often outperform advanced campaigns because they pick which products to advertise based off of which product is selling best and the market trends in your sector. So we already know that these campaigns are really easy to manage and to set up, but what are the pros and cons between a smart campaign and an advanced campaign? So the pros of the smart campaign is that it's made for people who do not have a huge amount of PPC knowledge. So if you're not somebody that wants to adjust all your filters and advertise only one product in one certain area with a bunch of campaigns, definitely go the smart shopping campaign route. If you're a PPC master and you really like to get deep into these campaigns, you'll definitely want to check out the advanced campaigns. Either way, I definitely recommend running both at the same time. Do this for at least a month because the smart shopping campaigns take a little bit of time, around 2 weeks, to learn how you're bidding and which products are going to convert best. So run both for at least a month and then you can check which one is right for your store. Thanks for joining me for this episode of eMarketing Basics. Make sure you click to subscribe and check out emarketing.com for all of your e-commerce marketing needs.